Welcome to Technology Devices. Today we learn 5 important devices: phone, computer, laptop, tablet, smartwatch. These are common in daily life. English Learning from Scratch series. Phone is a small handheld device. You hold it in your hand easily. Use it for calling friends and family. Send text messages quickly. Browse internet and check emails. Very portable for everywhere. Computer is a powerful machine for work. Has big monitor to see everything clearly. Keyboard for typing words. Mouse to click and move. Perfect for office work and playing games. Laptop is a portable computer. Screen and keyboard built together in one. Carry it anywhere easily. Use for meetings or travel. Same power as computer but mobile. Tablet has large touchscreen. Bigger than phone screen. Great for reading books and news. Browse websites smoothly. Use apps for learning and entertainment. Smartwatch worn on wrist like regular watch. Connects to smartphone. Receive calls and notifications on wrist. Check time and messages quickly without phone. Here are all 5 devices together: phone for calling, computer for power, laptop for mobility, tablet for reading, smartwatch for wrist. Each has special use. Phone main features: calls and texts for communication, speak to anyone anytime, send written messages fast, internet browser to visit websites, search information easily. Computer important features: keyboard and mouse for control, type documents accurately, mouse moves cursor precisely, large monitor shows more information clearly. Quick review of devices: phone is portable, computer is powerful, laptop is mobile computer. Each device helps different needs. English Learning from Scratch. Thank you.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.